Are you tired of conflicting advice about what to eat if you have fibroids? After watching over 50 long form videos and countless shorts, I have gathered the most reliable tips from top experts like Dr. Eric Berg and some other reliable health channels. Stick around to discover the best and worst foods for fibroids and save time with accurate, trustworthy information. In this video, you will learn which foods can help shrink fibroids and which ones you should avoid to prevent them from growing. By the end, you will have a clear and actionable understanding of how to manage fibroids, or in many cases, hopefully reverse through diet, backed by reliable expert advice. Trust me, I have spent hours researching, watching over 50 in depth videos and numerous shorts on YouTube. I have filtered through conflicting information. Because if someone is advising one food to eat, the other expert was saying to avoid that food. For instance, garlic, cauliflower, flax seeds, and many other. But then I googled a lot and focused on advice from reputable sources, big websites, including well-known experts like Dr. Eric Berg and some other scientific-based channels. My goal is to save your time providing you with accurate, helpful dietary information for managing fibroids. Foods to eat in fibroids. Best is to eat lots of fruits and veggies. For instance, leafy greens, cruciferous veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, berries, broccoli sprouts, mushrooms, garlic, ginger, shallots, that is green onion, tomato, herbs like peppermint, sage, rosemary, turmeric, lemon juice, green tea, vitamin D, legumes, whole grains, sea kelp. Take lots of fiber-rich foods and fibrous vegetables, fruits, etc., beans, lentils, omega-3 fatty acids, seeds, nuts, avocado, olive oil, coconut oil, desi ghee, etc., dried fruits, grapes. Fasting also helps in shrinking fibroids. Now, foods to avoid when you have fibroids. Remember, you have to stop estrogen production, glucose spikes, foods that can increase inflammation or that can increase angiogenesis, that is the formation of new blood supply to the fibroids. So avoid foods that can increase hormonal productions like estrogen, etc. For instance, cheese, milk, flax seeds, foods that trigger insulin sensitivity, soy related products. Take low carb and low sugar. GMO foods, birth control pills. Avoid dairy, meat, high calorie food and processed foods. Also avoid butter, sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are rich in estrogen. Soya related products, red meat, chia seeds, coffee, curd, yogurt, ice cream. Plastics, avoid plastics at any cost. Chemicals, high glycemic diets, potato, rice, processed oils, etc. If you have any questions related to this video, feel free to ask your questions. I'll try to research and answer your questions.